Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the graph in the xy plane of linear function g has x-intercept at s0 and a y-intercept at 0t. If t minus s is 0, and then t and s are not equal to 0, which of the following must be true about the graph of g? So these answers are looking at the slope, so let's calculate the slope. We have 2 points, s0 and 0t. And how do we find the slope? The slope is going to be the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y is t to 0, so t minus 0 is going to be the change, and 0 to s, so 0 minus s is going to be the change. So if we know that so first actually we can calculate this. So t minus 0 is t, 0 minus s is negative s, so this is negative t divided by s. If t minus s is equal to 0, we add s to both sides, we get these cancel, and t is equal to 0 plus s, which is s. So this is our value of t that we can plug into this equation, which will give us negative s divided by s. S divided by s for any value of s, that's not equal to 0, because then you'd be divided by 0, is 1, so this is negative 1. So no matter what t and s are, as long as they're not equal to 0, you're going to have a slope of negative 1, which is going to give you b as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.